to the next project here. Just finished up the dump truck and got the radiator in there, all the filters changed, greased, oil changed, all of that good stuff. So I've decided to bring this white truck back into the shop and check out these rear brakes. I said I think I said in a video, after I replaced the front brake pads, the truck sat for 2 days. I jumped in it and I had a squealing noise coming from the rear brakes. The truck didn't want to go forward. Those brakes had kind of seized up, I guess. They just weren't releasing. So I brought it in here to check it out, and yeah, I would say the pads probably need to be replaced. Now, a lot of this broke off of here as I hit on them to get them out of here, but yeah, they should not break up like that. So I guess it is off to Napa tomorrow morning to get a set of brake pads for this truck, and or a set of rear brake pads. I've already replaced the front brake pads, so I will get that tomorrow. Holy mackerel. Can you see that? Made in the USA. Wow. That must be the 1% of the parts on this truck that is made in the USA. You know, on the window sticker, and I'd have to go back and look at the window sticker. A lot of times on the window sticker of vehicles now, they put on there the percentage of parts from the United States versus other countries. And it's usually a very small percentage. Don't let Brandon see that. If Brandon sees that, that manufacturer is going to be shipped overseas to China to make those parts over there. So, well, Brandon, if he watches this video, what did I say, Brandon? Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. If Brandon, don't let Brandon see this. If Brandon sees this, yeah, that's going to be shipped over to China to be made. But Brandon wouldn't know what he's looking at if he saw this video. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll go get some new brake pads and replace those. Hopefully, I still remember how to do this. You know, it wasn't too long ago. I just did the front ones. You know, they have these weird little clips on here. That's just it was a pain on the front ones to get them off. Or to put them on, not to get them off, to put them on. Hopefully, I remember how to do that. Okay. So that's what I have going on. This side does not look as bad as the other side. It's not rusted up quite as bad. And you can see there's still quite a bit of wear left on the pads, but oh well, we're going to replace them. I am not going to replace the clips on this side. These clips right in here that hold the brake pads in there. They gave me a fit on the other side. Getting them in and then getting the other brake pads in, I had to grind. I had to grind a little bit off of these edges in order to get it to slide in there. So I'm just going to leave these old clips in this one and see if these pads go in any easier. I hope so, because the other side gave me a fit along with the front ones. Well, I think I'm finally getting smarter here by the fourth set of brake pads going on here. I think I explained these when I was doing the front. This clip actually has to bend back and around on the back side to hold this brake pad in. But as you're shoving it in, that clip wants to shove up against there, and then there's not enough room to shove it through the slot. It was just a pain in the butt. So I think I have finally learned the trick here. And that is, if you shove this thing right there like that, then you can slide it into the track. Then once you get it slid in, take a screwdriver up here and flip it around. I wish I had learned that on the very first one. It would have saved me a lot of aggravation and headache. Just like that. Well, okay, that's not working. I'm going to have to put a new clip in. So what is happening as I am shoving this brake pad into this clip, it is such a tight fit in there, that's what she said, that it is shoving, it is bending this piece around flat and then shoving the whole clip through. So I may have to grind a little bit off of this tab because it's an awful tight fit in there. Well, there we go. A set of brake pads all the way around her. She should be ready to go for another snow season. So this is, 6 years and what is it, got 55,000 miles or thereabouts on it. You know, it doesn't have a whole lot of miles for how old it is. But, you know, when you have 3 pickup trucks to ride around in, you can keep the mileage low on all of them. All right, I'm gonna put away my tools and move on to the next project. So I'm gonna say, see ya.